Hey guys, welcome to the vlog once again. So I didn't really think about making a video about this, but I figured that some of you guys might have the same problem as me with their lights. So right now I'm just buffing out these rear reflectors. I'm pretty sure these are aftermarket because these are actually lights. So right now I'm just masking this up and I'm gonna be sanding it with 400 grit and 1500 grit. So what you're going to want to do first is mask all of this off as much as you can, because you don't want to end up sanding your paint. That's not a good meme. And you guys make sure that you take the time when you're masking to do it right, and don't like mask half-baked, or else it's going to end up like you're going to be sanding your paint. That's not good. So now that we have everything masked off, we're going to go ahead and start sanding with the 400 grit sandpaper and then the 1500. And you can also do this method on your headlights and taillights if that ever happened to you. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're using medium rubbing compound. It gets rid of all this fine scratches at 200 grit and the 1000 grit left behind. And you can probably use this on your paint, but I wouldn't recommend it because it does wear out and eat your clear coat and stuff. Because it is rubbing compound. So there you go, that's how it looks like. Really smooth, and it looks pretty much brand new except for this scratch or this crack, and I didn't see it when it was foggy. And you can do this to your taillights or your headlights if it needs. Let's get it. So once again, it is Sunday, so we're gonna be heading out to the meet. I was literally inside my house and I can already hear your boy Sage in the Civic rolling up. So also another thing, I got decals, so if you guys are in the Winnipeg area and see me at Unrestricted Empire, I'm usually there every single Sunday. So if you guys see me there, I usually have a few decals to give away. And we in, boys. Now I just gotta find a spot. Oh, it's full tonight. Oh yeah, she's a packed daddy, that's for sure. Ooh. So this is bait, right? We're going for a cruise with Braden, Sage's cousin, who is the new proud owner of a, I think it's an 03, 04, 01. 01. Proud owner of an 01 Civic SI with VTEC. Yeah. This guy just in the vlog. Roll down the window. So I gotta like communicate through here or on the other side. Okay. Honda problems. But you know what they say, Sage? If you do lose and you're all out, rice it out. That's right. If you're out, that's all you can give. Just rice it out, boys. Loud and proud. Oh, Serena's giving her all she can. Hondas! Hondas! Honda! But as we pass the WRX, no biggie. Gang, get wrecked. Miata! Oh, so it's just in the sound is coming from there because of your headers. Oh, so it doesn't actually go all the way back. No. It's just there. Oh, you know what we should do? We should have a rev off. Just go somewhere like super like
the Target over there?
Yeah, let's go to the Target. Just rev there. Hey, no racing, kids. We're legal. Right, guys. So your boy is gonna call them out. So the one over here, the gold one, is Braden, and the one over here is, you guys probably know him. His name's Sage. So. Okay, I guess Sage, you go first because we've heard yours before. Okay, you go. Backfire in there. Ooh. I think though, I don't know if that's security, but there's a car over there.
Do it again, put a vlog,
Okay, my camera's about to die, so hope you guys enjoyed this video.